6, a helping hand with your land.
Neil from Messick's here today, out to talk to you about zero-turn mowers. We sell far too many brands of these things. Within our family of dealerships, we sell Kubota, Cub Cadet, Simplicity, Exmark, Hustler, and we've also had fingers in brands like Skag, Husqvarna, Woods, Grasshopper, and Bush Hog. So altogether, 8, 9, 10 different brands of zero-turn mowers that our 5 stores have handled over the years. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today on some of the ways that we differentiate all of those companies. There are a lot of companies in this business. I've heard numbers thrown around before, as much as 40 different manufacturers of zero-turn mowers in the lawn and garden industry. And part of the reason for that is that mechanically they're not really very difficult machines for a company to come up with and build. There's a lot of supplier parts in these machines, so transmissions, engines, those kinds of things all tend to come from the same companies. So if you're a manufacturer of zero-turn mowers, all you're really building is the deck and the chassis, and then you're taking all those supplier parts in order to fill out the rest of the machine. So it is an industry that has a fairly low, say, barrier to entry for a equipment manufacturer of other types of machinery to get into. There are things that we can go through and differentiate though between some of these companies, and I'm standing here with a Kubota ZB series mower. So Kubota's mowers do have some unique things on them that you don't see in other companies, and the primary one is the transmission that's found in the 200 series gas mowers and the bigger ZB series mowers. Kubota does not use a traditional hydro gear or Parker transmission like you'll find in virtually every other zero-turn mower. They actually have one that's of their own design, and it's a little bit different in that it's a complete sealed unit. There's no belts or hoses running between different components of the drive system, and it also has wet clutches on the inside, which is something that's virtually unheard of in this industry. Only some other very, very high-end mowers have it, but virtually none others. What that wet clutch gives you is, instead of a magnetic clutch that snaps together when you turn the switch on, you're going to have wet clutches and a drive shaft going down to your mower deck. So Kubota is kind of the tank of the zero-turn industry, and that transmission design is just a lot heavier than what you find in most other models. Their diesel models too are also very, very aggressively priced compared to most other companies. Being that they are a diesel engine company, they can drop their own engines into one of these machines at a much better price than a lot of the other zero-turn companies having to go out to Kubota or Yanmar or Kohler Diesel in order to put a diesel engine into their mower. So diesel models from Kubota are very, very aggressively priced compared to most of the rest of the industry. Ferris, Simplicity, and Snapper are all part of the Briggs & Stratton company, and they're kind of laid out as a good, better, best product line. So Ferris being the best, Simplicity being your better, and Snapper being your good. Out of those lines, we would sell the Simplicity and the Ferris versions, and you're going to notice a lot of commonality and a lot of shared technology between those brands, but Ferris being set up to be just a little bit more high-end in terms of chassis construction and engine choices. The thing that sets this family apart from the rest of the industry is this work that they've done with suspension. Zero-turn mowers as a whole don't ride real well, right? You're fundamentally sitting on top of an axle while you're trying to scoot across the ground as fast as possible. And so it is something you tend to get jarred around on, right? So companies tend to invest into big tires and plush seats and that kind of stuff to make that a little bit better. But Ferris has got this suspension system patented in a way that other companies have not been able to do a chassis type suspension quite like these guys have. You see these big springs here over both the front and the back of the machine. They're obviously going to pick up some of that jarring and help the machine ride a little bit better. And they've also got it set up on these A-arms right here, where if these wheels fall down into a hole, it will lift the mower deck up to compensate so that you don't scalp when you fall down into those low spots. So by and large, we're going to say that you're generally going to be able to mow a little bit faster with a little bit more level cut on a Ferris machine than you can on some of these other products. Cub Cadet has some unique technology when it comes to the steering systems on their zero-turn. So while most machines have the 2 sticks that you're used to seeing, one that's going to drive each side, the steering wheel setup on these manipulates what would be those 2 sticks. So there's a central gearbox at the bottom of this steering wheel that would manipulate those sticks essentially. And when you get to the extreme turns, it will actually steer just like a traditional zero-turn mower does, where one tire will go forward while the other one goes back. This has two benefits. One is for people who are new to running machinery like this. So a certain amount of skill and experience is required in running a zero-turn mower, particularly when you go into turns and that kind of stuff. You want to be able to drive without tearing up the grass, and you need to keep the wheels moving in order for that to happen and not drag them through your turns. This makes that a lot easier. Obviously, a steering wheel anybody can get on, and you don't have the learning curve of the two sticks. With the steerable front tires, these actually will hold hills a little bit better as well. So normal zero turns with the casters in the front, your front end always wants to run down a hill, but these steerable front wheels will hold side hills better than traditional zero turn mowers do. Exmark is one of the most well-known names in this business when it comes to zero-turn mowers. They're definitely the choice of most of your commercial landscapers. That's for a handful of reasons. When you look at Exmark products internally, they put a lot more focus on operating expenses and the long-term cost of owning a piece of equipment. So you're gonna find things like extended warranties and high-hour warranties on some transmission components and that kind of thing. They've also done some innovative things with engines. They source some of their own engines and certify and verify some of the stuff that comes in from overseas, and have come up with some pretty good quality things actually that are holding up real well. We're real big fans of the radius mower they just came out with. It's a good quality, well-engineered product at a fairly aggressive price point. So cool company to look at if that's long-term cost of ownership and high-hour operation is something that's of concern to you. Exmark is great at that kind of stuff. Our next zero-turn mower is the Hustler line. This is the high-end product from Excel Industries. Hustler is appealing to us in a couple of different ways, primarily in that it's a commercial mower sold at a really good value. It's a little bit less expensive than a lot of the other commercial lines are, but still a very, very good quality product. Part of the reason for that is because the parts count of their machines are just a little bit lower than what most other machines are. Now they're gonna advertise that in the 30% range, but that generally comes from building things that are just not as unnecessarily complicated, but of good quality products. So definitely stuff that holds up well, that we can put a lot of hours on, that we see run commercially, good wide product line. They make a 104-inch mower that's a really cool, unique piece. A great line, but you're gonna find it pricing just a little bit more aggressively than a lot of the other commercial mowers on the market. So that's a little bit on the lines of zero-turn mowers that we're carrying today. A lot of these have come to us through acquisitions as we bought up other small dealers around us, and really something that we hung on to because we've got existing customer bases who run these machines today and wanted to continue to support them. And as you can see, each one does kind of have its little niche. There's not huge differences between all of these products, but there are some of those standout little things that you can pick out between these brands that may sway you one way or the other. So if you're in the market for a mower or a piece of equipment, if you have any parts or service needs that we can help with, give us a call at Messick's. We're available at 800-222-3373 or online at messick's.com.